Hey, it's Davia. So, today I'm doing another makeup video. Of course, why wouldn't I? Today I'm actually going to be using Mini Breaker palette. This is an amazing palette. I've used it once and I'm going to recreate this look. This is the one that I had on my Instagram. I'm going to recreate that look because I loved it so much. I thought it was a stunning look and I really enjoyed actually doing the look. So I'm going to recreate it for you all today. I am by myself today in my own house. Chloe is sadly not with me. But I am going to create a look with you today using the Mini Breaker palette. So if you want to see how this one turns out or see me recreate the look, then keep on watching. So, first of all, I am going to be using the Revolution Concealer in C5, as I normally do. And I'm going to be using my Jeffree Star mirror again, of course. It's a Jeffree Star video. I'm going to have to use a Jeffree Star mirror. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this as a base of my eye, and then I will put on the colours. Then with my new damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it out. Let's open the Mini Breaker palette and show you these incredible colours that are so beautiful. They make me ill. So this is the Mini Breaker palette. I got this in the limited edition merch box by Jeffree Star, the Halloween special. So these are the colours that are in this palette. The colours I'm going to use are the pink one at the top here. That is called Foreplay. And I'm also going to be using a colour called Orange Crush. What is this stunning orange shade in the corner? In the middle. I'm also going to go into Bubblegum. What is this hot, beautiful, like, proper bubblegum pink? There's no other word for it. I'm also going to go into Purple Punch and Oral, because everyone likes them there. As I have prepped my eye, first of all, I'm going to go into the colour called Orange Crush, what is just at the top here. And I'm just going to blend that on the inner corner of my eye, just this little section here. Oh, so, as you can see, I have put Orange Crush into the inner corner of my eye. Oh, that looks really weird in the camera. I quite like it though. So next, I am going to go into Bubblegum, and then I am going to go into Foreplay. So with the Bubblegum colour, just gonna dab, 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 dab with this BH Cosmetics brush, a 5 brush. Tap that off, and then I'm gonna blend this just on the middle section of my eye. So make sure you do blend both of the colours together so it's got a seamless transition. Oh, pink and orange looks stunning. So, after that colour, I'm gonna, oh, girl, just dropped my brush. So, after the Bubblegum, I am gonna go into Foreplay and I'm just gonna keep blending that on the further out. I'm gonna use the same brush and then I am going to blend it out with a more of a fluffy brush. But I'm just going to pack that on. And I'm just going to blend that just on the outer part. Now I have done them 3 colours. Going to go in with my Morphe 513 brush. I am going to go into Purple Punch. What is this middle shade here? I'm not going to go too heavy. Tap that off and I'm going to blend that into the outer V of my eye. And then, to re-lighten the inner corner, I am going to just tap into both of these with the same number 5 BH Cosmetic brush, and I'm just going to go into the middle section of my eye. So, now you have got that blended, I am going to go into a very cheap, this is from Primark, and I'm going to blend the top part of my eye. And I'm also going to blend out slightly. So the next part I am going to do is I am going to do like a halo effect. where they just cover the middle section with one colour. The colour I'm going to use is the Aural. So I've used all the colours I'm going to use. I am going to use Aural, what is a stunning purple to blue like colour. It is literally, oh there you go, it is literally a stunning colour. And I'm just going to pack this on the middle section of my eye. What's lovely about this look, there's not much to it. It is a very simple but effective look, and I love the fact that it's a simple and effective look. Like, you can't really go wrong. Ooh, so pretty. So next, I'm going to go back in with this orange shade, and I'm going to just tap it off, and this is a very light brush, and I'm just going to sweep in a sweeping motion upwards. So these are the eyes. I am going to go into my brows, and I am going to do my foundation, my highlight, and my lips. Then we will have a little discussion about this palette. So for my brows, I'm going to go into the Morphe palette, 3502 palette. I'm going to go into this colour down here, called Wiz. I use that for my brows. There are my brows. And so next I'm going to do all my foundation, and then I will go on to my highlight, my contour and my lips. So for my foundation, I am going to be using just a small tester of Touch foundation. I am also going to go in with their primer as well. So the Touch YSL primer. I literally love this. It works really well for me. I'm going to put that on first, and then I will go into the Touch foundation and get that all on my face. Once that is all primed and prepped and ready to go, I'm going to go into my beauty blender, and I am going to just bounce this foundation onto my face. Fabulous. And then just bounce it in until it is stunningly blended. So after that is done, I have done my whole foundation, onto my face. It is quite a beautiful finish, this one. Really silky, really natural. It is a very natural colour. I do like this. I am going to buy the actual full pack of it, like full foundation. I just haven't had a chance yet. Next, I'm going to go in to my Revolution concealer again in C5. And I'm going to place that down on the under eyes. My forehead, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Again, I'm going to use my damp beauty blender, and I am just going to bounce. Make it bounce, shake it to break it, and make it a bounce. Fabulous. So now that is all blended in, I am going to go into my collection. This is the Sheer Loose powder. I did want Jeffree Star, but I haven't had chance to get it. I'm just going to go in with my beauty blender again. This is an all-purpose tool. I love a beauty blender. Don't know about you guys, but I love a beauty blender. So once that is done, I am next going to go into my contour. I'm going to use my Klara Cosmetics, and this is the Naked Truth. I did use the blusher for this in another video, and I wasn't that keen on it, but the contour, I love it. Girl, I love it. I'm going to go in with my BH Cosmetic brush, 133 brush. I'm just going to dip into this one, and I'm just going to use the mirror on this, and I'm just going to go in and contour my face. So now my contour is done. It doesn't really show up on my camera. It shows up here, just shows up nothing on my camera. Next, I am going to go in highlighting. And of course, I'm going in with another Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I am going into Mystery Frost. What I got in the mystery box with my Full Breaker palette. So my mini breaker and this came in the same box. So I am going to go in with this. And you're gonna see this bitch glow, girl. This glows. I love this shade. Stunning. And of course, it wouldn't be a Jeffree Star video without his Jeffree Star brushes. Like, girl, so I'm gonna be using the JS4. I am going to go in on this palette, just a slight bit. Tap it off, and then I'm going to glow. Ooh. So, once that is done, this colour, oh, it's like a really beautiful, there you go, you can see it better if I look down. Really beautiful golden shade, absolutely stunning. So next, I am going to go into my rest of my eye. Basically, I'm going to go back in with the mini breaker, and I am going to go into Foreplay and Orange Crush, and I'm going to do my under eyes. So the Orange Crush is going to carry on with the orange. And then I'm going to change brush, and I'm going to go into Foreplay. Just going to blend it out. So, after that, I am going to do my Temple Spa. This is a stroke of genius. The actual writing has come off, so you can't really see it. This is a stunning mascara. Like, look at the difference. One with and one without. So, that is my eyes. Finished. Done. The last thing to do now is lipstick. So this colour came again in the mystery box. It is called Candy Freeze. This is a stunning glittery pink colour, like stunning. You'll see when it's on my lips, bitch. You'll see when it's on my lips. Oh, look how pink that is. It is more sheer than some of his products, but I love it. It's just stunning. Like, I love how glittery it is. Ooh. So let me just get changed and I'll be right back. Woo. And I'm back. Thank you everyone so much for watching. So, can I just say I'm giving this, again, another 10 out of 10. I love this palette. I love the vibrance, I love the beauty, and I love the fact that it just reminds me of summer. And we're in winter now and I need some summer. Some summer in my life, honey. I need to go sunbathing because my arm is not matching my hand, honey. Yeah, I love this palette. I love the colours. I love the fact that it's miniature. It fits nicely in your handbag. Don't have to worry about it. I just love Jeffree Star's products. Enough about that product. Thank you everyone so much for watching. Please put in the comments what kind of other videos you'd like me to start doing. I want to mix my channel up slightly more than just doing a vlog or a makeup video. I really want to start doing other things. So if you want any suggestions, pop down in the comments. If you want to follow me on any social medias, what are all these ones here? You may do. Also, if you would like to like, comment, and subscribe, it would be amazing. Like, I'll appreciate it so much. I have now 112 subscribers. That doesn't sound a lot to many people, but for me, when I haven't done this for so long, amazing. Thank you everyone so much. So if you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you would like to carry on watching me, because of course, why wouldn't you want to? Like, look at me. Just give it a big subscribe. I'll be more than happy with that. So thank you everyone so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! Oh girl, now I can sit there and drink my tea.